Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Rockstar Games account for GTA. So first you open your browser, then in the search bar you type Rockstar Games login. You will see the official website, access it. Then on the top right corner you will see this profile icon, you click on that and then you choose sign up. You click on that and here they will ask you to choose your birth date. After that you click on next. Here you need to check that you have read and accepted all the terms and conditions. Then you click next and here you need to choose your email, password, nickname and the country of origin. Then after you fill all this information you click on next. Then they will send you a verification code on the used email. You paste it here and then click on submit, and just like this, as you can see, your Rockstar Game account has been created successfully. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.